Testing, mic check, 1 2 1 2. Can you guys hear me? Welcome back, everybody. I try to get myself together. Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl, Mrs. Hollywood. There is a huge misconception that you have to have a closet full of clothes to be able to slay every day. No, that's not true, you guys. And I'm gonna tell you why, and I'm gonna show you why. Today, I'm gonna take one new piece, which are these beautiful ivory color slacks from Chic label. And I'm going to create 3 completely different looks that allows you to wear them, whether it be for work, whether it be for date night, an after 5 event, not like ballroom after 5 event, but just straight from work to happy hour networking. With that being the case, if I'm just taking one piece, these are new, as you can see the tag is still there, and I'm able to create 3 different looks, not only is this going to show you the investment that you should be making when getting quality clothing items, but also this is showing you how we can maximize all of our clothing pieces in our closet. So let me do the work for you, and I'm gonna get started and prepped for look number 1. Okay, so here we are back with look number 1. I had an ultimate fail, and I'll show you after I finish going over this outfit. Anyways, so let's talk about this. This is a nice monochrome look with the color ivory. This is a beautiful turtleneck knit sweater that I recently got. Here's a new piece, sorry about that. This is a new piece that I recently did get from Revolve. It threw me off, let me go back a little bit. Since that first piece didn't work out, I just pulled something else cream. Anyways, these are the slacks that I showed you in my introduction from Chic label. I wanna say if these come in like small, medium, large, I think I got the medium or perhaps the large. I love the fit of these trousers. I love the material. I like the pleating in the front. It doesn't have a buckle or a zipper, so it allows you to wear this so interchangeably because you don't have like a bulk that's right here. Sometimes it doesn't work for some blouses. So this one, it zips on the side. It's not transparent with it being such a light color. The material and the flow of these pants are just giving everything. Mwah, chef's kiss on top of that. They do have lovely pockets, and I don't have any shoes on yet. I will put those on. But as you can see like how far down they drop. So I think I might still go get them altered and just have the hem come out. So that way when I wear my heels, it's even gonna still go over part of my pumps. But again, this is not common that I can find pants just on a whim that are gonna be long enough for me with the inseam. So I got these in all the colors they offer, which is black, this ivory color, and also a beautiful olive green color. This sweater is so cute. I like the sleeves. This is a style that is really hard to nail the right cut blouse that does not appear to be so boxy. Sometimes, like, I think you could see the texture of this. This is actually really soft. It's not itchy feeling, it's not rough feeling, because I'm just wearing my bra underneath. Revolve has some really cute layering like bodysuits and also the lace turtlenecks, the lace style. One of them actually has a thumb hole in it, so I ordered a brown one. I would say it's like more of a nude color, a nude tan brown color. And then I also ordered the black one because I thought that would look so cute having that lace arms underneath a sweater like this. That is going to be so chic and beautiful. So I kind of wanted to give you guys an idea. That's why I'm putting the video up here. I think they're due to ship out next month in October. And of course, I'll create more videos to showcase that. These are my go-to. I need to get more like ivory color pumps. The heel height is really good. I love that. It's not too tall. See how the pants fit at the bottom? They're not bad. They're not bad at all, but they're right there on the cusp. So if I wanted to even wear like a 4-inch heel, I wouldn't be able to with the level of comfort that I like with my pants to fit long enough. I just went completely monochrome, even the earrings monochrome. I think these are from Mango. And then I just threw on 2 little cute gold bracelets, called it a day. I like to sometimes keep the outfit just very simple because this looks completely sophisticated. I didn't really talk about the shape of this sweater. Let me show you that. And then you can see the back. And look, it's not that big of a hole. I mean, because I'm not walking around at work with my arms up. So just to give this outfit some shape, I always make sure to tuck in one side of my sweater, and then it just gives it more structure to your outfit. So what do you think? I love this. I think it's beautiful. I think it's such a luxe look. I love the color ivory. I've just started really getting into implementing more neutrals into my closet. So these slacks, they're definitely a staple piece for me. So let's get going to, sorry, my head is all cut off. Look, I'm gonna do this. Let's get going with look number 2. Hey, I forgot to mention in my video, have you guys learned the towel concept when you already have a face full of makeup and you got to put on a blouse to not transfer the makeup? Get your towel, girls. Put your towel over your head, and then you're able, I'm going to try to show this without showing anything else or exposing everything. But what you would do is you would pull this up over your head and keep the towel focused to cover up your face. And then voila. It's like magic, right? You have no makeup that's transferred. Wanted to give you that important tip. You're welcome. Okay, so here we go with look number 2. I'm not completely done with putting it together. I wanted to show you and explain it first. This is a really cute tank top from Aritzia that I've had over the summer. It fits kind of like at a crop length, but very good material. It's beautiful. So I figured, okay, for the dress down look, I would think this tank top would look good with your beautiful yellow Portofino button-up blouse. I got this from Express. This is in a size medium. Now with this look, when it comes to pairing it with a Portofino blouse, so many different ways you can wear it. So, okay, let me tuck her in. Let's get her nice and neat. Get all these strings tucked in. Remember, I'm in Vegas. It's still warm. So I kind of like to leave my sleeves, especially when I'm wearing it more of a casual look. This is something that you can wear just like this without buttoning it up. You just want to have more of a casual, free-flowing look, but still look put together, still look very luxe. I really like the yellow color for fall as well. I think that yellow is very interchangeable. Of course, it's a spring, summer color, but I'm starting to also recognize that it falls along the lines of neutral family. So tank top, Aritzia, Portofino, Express, and then of course, still the JLex label slacks. I am sure many of you have a simple white tank in your closet. I'm sure you have at least one button-up Portofino blouse. And the goal with that blouse is you want one that is like an oversized fit for the casual look. Even if it's like in linen sort of material, it's like that linen mix. That's what gives this more of the flow. The ones that are actually structured and fit your body, that is more of a formal look. So we don't want that for this casual look. We want the one that tends to be called the boyfriend Portofino because it's that oversized look. With regards to shoes, I mean, just for now, you guys, for a casual look, see, that's where I struggle because my casual is not everyone's casual for the most part. My casual is Mrs. Hollywood's casual. Here's why. Instead of wearing tennis shoes when I'm dressing down, I don't wear those with my regular clothes. On a casual outfit, I will wear loafers. And then I've graduated now to actual flats. Actually, that's what I could do. But let me just finish explaining. So let me just scroll on down so you could see what I'm talking about. Someone would look at this and I would show up and they're like, why are you all dressed up? Girl, I'm not like super dressed up. Here's why I say that. The heel on this pump, I think they may be 3 inches. That's number one. That's a casual, that's like a kitten heel for me because I've been wearing heels forever and ever. So this naturally would be my casual look. Now, That I reminded you guys as I was talking about this further with the ballet or just the cute flat shoes. That I've graduated to. Let me pull out a pair and let me add that into the casual look. Okay, so I forgot I had these. These are really cute ballet flats with the pointed toe, and it ties in the front. These are by Sam Edelman. Yeah, Sam Edelman. Check her out, you guys. Okay, here we are. Do you see it? You see it? See them both? I made it. I made it completely casual now. They're cute, they're comfortable. I know that they had other sizes. So here is your casual look with your trousers. Anyone can create this look in their closet. Go and look at your pieces. And if you don't have every single piece, maybe you're just missing one piece, add jeans then. If you have a pair of nice denim, like wide leg denim, wear those with it instead. The wide leg tends to give you more of a casual look. It's easy to make that look very casual. They don't have to be this color. You can do this in all black and add a white Portofino blouse. So many different looks that you can create out of it. So there's that. Actually, I think my next look, it's gonna be very simplified with one of these pieces that I'm going to use. So hold on, let me get it together. See what I did? This isn't cheating. You know why? Even more so, I'm showing you how you can even take the same blouse and give a different look. This is something I would wear to work. I may actually wear this to work this week because we're still in the warm weather. Look how nice and long these sleeves are. I always complain about that. Between my pants and my blouses, they're usually not long enough. So I love that. I was able to tuck this in without having like a lot of bunch up right here. And what helps is the style slacks because they're pleated, they have the pockets. It's not all one of those slacks where it's like super smooth. Then you would have an issue tucking this in because it's so billowy and big. But do you see how different this blouse looks with these pants from the casual look that I gave to you? A lot of times when it's this drastic of a change, nobody really notices that you're wearing the same blouse again. So this is an outfit formula that I love to turn to when I can't think of anything else. Give me a nice oversized button up. Give me some nice trousers, throw on my shoes, my pumps or flats, and out the door I go because it looks so well put together. It looks and screams sophistication, classy, that I'm ready. I am serving a purpose today and I'm going to be productive. But yeah, so all these looks, I hope it helped you. And again, you have a button down, you have those slacks, or if you don't have any wide leg slacks and you have cute wide leg denim, pair your button up with that. Same type of look. It's going to give you that same sophistication because you're wearing pieces that are flowing. It really just gives you a real nice silhouette. And for funsies, let me just add on my little pumps. You guys, I have a ton of other shoes, but the main focus is the fit. Sometimes I'll break my neck to figure out, okay, let me put each outfit with a different shoe, but I don't think it's that serious most of the time. So as you can see, scoot back as far as I can with the heels. Yeah, this is such a nice, sophisticated look. It is my outfit formula. She's getting wiser, right? Knowledgeable, experienced a lot in life. I done been around a few times. There's nothing new under the sun, baby. You know, okay. You know, all those sayings when someone's trying to tell you how well-versed they are in life and all that they have experienced, which they're not lying about. One, there is nothing new under the sun. And as you get older, you do tend to have more experiences in life that you've learned a lot of valuable lessons, hopefully. So I love this. I hope, you know what? I forgot to show you guys that shirt I told you from the first outfit that I originally tried to pair. This is a beautiful white blouse from Mango. It's in a peplum style cut where it flares and it goes, you know, fits against the waist. And then you could see the darts. Yeah, the two darts. It gives that princess cut. The problem was, guys, this is more of a fitted blouse and it can't be tucked in. So it pressed against the pants. And let me show you what kind of trousers you would need to wear with this. Something, now these are more like capris, but it would be something along these lines. See how, I'm all discombobulated right now, okay. See how these are completely flat? They're not pleated, just flat, right? This is the type of pants you would wear with a blouse like this, outside of wearing like leggings as well. Cute stirrup pair of leggings would be real cute with this. Getting an idea. And adding a cute belt, because that's what I wanted to do originally. Let me show you. I just got 2 new belts from Amazon today, actually. One of them being a burgundy color that I ordered. Let me just show you the belt first. Isn't this cute? Look at that. So cute. So let's say you wore them. I gotta go get black stirrup leggings now. I've been wanting to get a pair. Adding this belt in the center. Let's see if I can get it. Oh, here we go. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Almost in business there. Accessorize it with this belt. And then your cute leggings. Girl, that's a whole fashion statement. Look at how it just elevates the look of this blouse with this belt. And then your black stirrup leggings. When I finish recording, you know what I'm doing. I'm gonna order those leggings. That'll be another video to come in the near future. So yeah, tell me what you think. I really enjoyed being able to do that. It wasn't even stressful. It's very simple. You do not need 10,000 items in your closet. You just need good quality pieces that are going to last you. You need a lot of staple pieces. I don't want to say a lot. You do need your staple pieces. That's the priority. Get your basic staple pieces because that is what's going to give you the ability to have and create so many different looks for different environments, for church, for work, for after 5 wear, for date night, for girls' night out, whatever. Get your staple pieces. So until next time, you guys have a great rest of your day. God bless, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like button. Just hit it. It like takes 1 second. So you can stay tuned for everything that I keep putting out there. So don't forget, subscribe. Subscribe to your girl, Mrs. Hollywood.